Slow it down, we're close to the herd.
Stopping now, keep the distance steady.
Hold position. We don't want to scare them.
Vehicle stopped, engine steady, everything under control.
Keep it steady, move slowly, don't rush them.
Guide the front one carefully, we're almost there.
Watch the step, keep the balance right.
It's moving in, hold the line steady.
We're clear of the jungle and maintain highway speed. Load is stable and all animals are secure.
Speed is steady and keep monitoring the load.
Everything looks controlled, no movement issues.
We're entering the facility and keep everything ready inside.
Gate is clear and proceed slowly into the main unit.
The truck has arrived. Prepare for unloading.
All systems ready, guided to the loading zone.
Move slowly, keep the balance steady.
Guide the front one carefully and bring it down safely.
Keep the line tight, don't let it turn sideways. Yes, sir.
It's coming down steady. Maintain control.
Keep the line tight, don't let it turn sideways. Yes, sir.
It's coming down steady. Maintain control. Keep them moving in line and don't break the formation.
Control the back group and maintain equal spacing.
Move forward, keep the herd calm and steady.
Everything is under control and continue guiding them inside.
Weight is recorded, maintain the position steady.
Scan is running. Health parameters look stable.
Hold it steady, complete the scan cycle.
Weight and health data successfully recorded. Proceed to next unit. Initiate full body scan. Keep the subject steady. X-ray imaging is active. Bone structure is clearly visible.
Scan cycle is smooth and maintain current position.
Data is accurate. Proceed to next buffalo. Teeth condition looks stable.
Check for any damage.
No visible decay. Structure is strong and healthy.
Hold the position steady and complete the dental scan.
All readings are normal and proceed to the next check.
Hold position. We don't want to scare them.
Vehicle stopped, engine steady, everything under control.
Increase water pressure. Ensure full surface cleaning.
Flow is stable, all units are washing perfectly.
Move them into the pool. Keep the sequence smooth.
Water level is perfect. Continue the cleaning cycle.
Feeding is complete and move them to the next unit.
All systems are ready and proceed with the main process.
Milk extraction is stable and maintain flow consistency.
Quality levels are perfect and proceed to processing tanks.
Maintain temperature balance and keep the mixture smooth. Consistency is perfect and ready for molding stage.
Keep the group tight.
Move them inside in one flow. Maintain spacing. Don't let them scatter.
Bring them in slowly, keep the line straight.
All units are entering. Maintain control.
Bring them in slowly, keep the line straight.
All units are entering. Maintain control.
Maintain clean cuts. Keep the portions uniform.
Yes, the sections are consistent and ready for next stage. Cut evenly, keep the thickness accurate.
All pieces are aligned, ready for processing line. Increase output speed, maintain uniform slicing. Flow is stable and quality remains consistent. Increase water pressure, ensure complete cleaning.
Flow is stable and all surfaces are being washed properly.
Cleaning cycle is active and maintain consistent flow.
All units are washed and ready for next stage.
Maintain steady heat, keep the drying uniform.
Moisture level is dropping, process is perfectly controlled. Drying cycle is stable and maintain current settings. All output is consistent, ready for packaging stage.
Maintain the spice ratio, keep the coating even.
Mixing rotation is stable, distribution looks perfect.
Ensure even coating across all pieces, maintain consistency.
All batches are perfectly seasoned, ready for next stage.
Maintain the temperature and keep the cooking cycle stable.
Color and texture are perfect. and proceed with output flow.
Check the seal quality, ensure every pack is airtight.
All packages are secure and labeling is perfectly aligned.
Packaging speed is stable and maintain current settings.
Quality is consistent and all packs are ready for dispatch.
Ensure correct quantity in each carton. Maintain alignment.
All boxes are filled and sealed perfectly ready for dispatch.
Carton sealing is accurate and maintains steady flow.
All units are packed and labeled, ready for storage and shipping. Increase water pressure, ensure complete bone cleaning.
All residues are being removed and surface looks clear.
Cleaning cycle is stable and maintain consistent flow. Bones are fully washed, ready for next stage. Maintain grinding pressure, ensure fine consistency.
Particle size is uniform. Blending process is stable.
Maintain fine consistency, ensure no coarse particles remain.
Powder quality is perfect, ready for final stage.
Transfer the powder to tablet unit and maintain purity levels.
Next stage is ready, and we can start capsule and supplement production.
Balance the milk and alloy ratio, keep the texture silky smooth.
Consistency is perfect and the blend looks premium and stable.
Balance the milk and alloy ratio, keep the texture silky smooth.
Consistency is perfect and the blend looks premium and stable.
Homogenization is stable and maintain this smooth consistency.
Final cream texture is perfect, ready for soap formulation stage.
Maintain extrusion pressure, keep the shape uniform.
Bars are forming perfectly and texture is smooth and premium.
Stamping quality is perfect and maintain this finish. All soaps are premium, ready for packaging stage. Check the print alignment, keep the branding sharp and clear.
Colors are perfectly balanced. Printing quality is premium.
Wrapping is tight, ensure every edge is perfectly sealed.
Final product looks premium, ready for market distribution.
Align the wrapper perfectly, ensure clean sealing edges.
All soaps are wrapped with premium finish, ready for final packing.
Packaging quality is perfect and maintain this consistency. All units are ready for carton packing and distribution. Ensure each carton has correct quantity and proper sealing.
All boxes are packed perfectly, ready for dispatch.
Carton packing is complete and maintain stacking order.
All units are ready for warehouse loading and distribution.
Place these cartons in section A. Keep the stacking uniform. All inventory is aligned. Load the cartons carefully and keep the stacking tight.
All shipments are aligned, ready for city distribution.
Ensure all city orders are loaded correctly.
Delivery trucks are fully prepared for malls and shops distribution.